Hey everyone, this is Shreyas and welcome back to another video. So in this particular video, I'm gonna talk about an accessory to my recent purchase, which is the Pixel 6 Pro. As you might know from my last video, I compared it to my OnePlus 9 Pro, which I was using for a while. So if you're interested in watching that particular video, make sure to click the card over here. It should pop up anytime right now. So the Pixel 6 Pro has a curved display, and obviously people are looking for screen protectors and tempered glass for the same. And even on long-term usage, all my old phones, they have very tiny micro scratches. These are very common, but none of them shattered, broke, or had any deep grooves which would be noticeable unless you look very close right against the light. So that's been my story. But it is a bit different with this Pixel 6 Pro since this is not officially supported or sold over here. So I have to be careful. So after a long time, almost 5 years, I am using both a case and a tempered glass with this. For tempered glass, I was looking around a lot. There were a few concerns. So first, it has a curved screen, and second, the fingerprint sensor was not performing great, at least before the January update came in for the Pixel 6 Pro. So these were the reasons I had to look for a really great screen protector. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. So let's check that out. Alright, so this is the tempered glass I use. This is the Whitestone Dome Glass. Now it's a very beefy package. If you see, it's thicker than most smartphone boxes, to be very honest, that you get recently without the chargers. So this has a full-blown kit to help you guide tempered glass application as well, which is really commendable. Although this was a bit tedious, a lot of dust exists, so had to be really careful. It took almost 20-25 minutes. But it was all worth it, and it's a one-time thing, because let me tell you, this screen protector, it's been a week since I have applied it. It's really you won't really know that you have a screen protector on. And it's not really a screen protector, it's tempered glass, so the feeling of the bare glass and your fingers gliding over it does not really get hampered when you're using this particular phone with this screen protector. Alright, so let me quickly take you through the installation, because there are a lot of steps. Now they on their official website have a good installation guide mentioned, so I'm going to link that in the description down below, so check that out for a better installation guide, because I could not really record it well. So firstly, you get these black strips which are used to cover up all the places from which glue can go in your phone. So on the top you have a microphone hole, you have the SIM card tray, below you have the speaker and the USB-C port and another microphone. So you cover those up. Then you have a jig where your Pixel 6 Pro will fit in very snug, and you will hear it click in there. Now next, you clean up your Pixel screen. So you get alcohol wipes over there, and you get dust stickers to remove all the dust. So you take the sticker, cover up the speaker grill and fix it with this particular piece as well. Then you pour in the glue. So now the glue has no place to get inside your device, so that's good news. And now you remove this particular bridge and place your screen protector on top of the top part where it is a bit elevated from the surface. You kind of slide the glue almost to the middle of it approximately and pull this particular tab to let the screen protector fall onto the display, and you will see, if you don't have a lot of dust or bubbles, the glue will fill out the space between the screen protector and the display. So that's really great. It took a minute or two. So once that is done, now you have the UV ray. Now it has a timer built in, which is a great thing. So it's instructed to do 15 seconds on the top, middle and bottom. So for that you just need to press it once. And once done, you can remove it and wipe off any extra glue that is there on the edges etc. of the phone, and then you remove all the stickers, and then you cure it again on the top and the bottom for 60 seconds by double tapping on the UV glass ray. That's kind of the installation part, and yes, it is a long one. It has a lot of steps, but you have enough guidance to not mess it up at all. Now about the screen protector, I'm really happy. It curves a bit on the edges. It does not go over till the bezels, and I think the reason why is very clear, because for example, I'm using this particular case. So when I put it in the case, I do not see any screen protector left on the edges. So that's great, because it might be hindering with a case if it goes all the way till the metal frame of your phone. The only thing that might be concerning visually is that you have a U-shaped cutout for the front facing camera. So over there in certain angles you'll be aware of it, or you could see that it is not really one piece of glass over it, but that's all. Otherwise this particular screen protector is really good. It even has a good oleophobic coating. So on new phones, when you don't have a screen protector, you don't get a lot of smudges or fingerprints on your display. So that's the oleophobic coating. All in all, I'm really happy with this particular screen protector. This is not just for the Pixel 6 Pro, they have a lot of supported phones. Now I did not re-register my fingerprint sensor and it works flawlessly. So you can see the fingerprint sensor is working completely fine. Obviously for good measure you can re-register it, but in my case the fingerprint sensor works fine even without recalibrating or re-registering any of my fingers. I'll keep you updated about it through my Pixel review, so stay subscribed for that. I already have another piece with extra glue, extra stickers, everything, and the same jig to install it once again if this gets broken or damaged, or I decide to replace it because of any reason in the future. So that's been it for this particular video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.